The main structural difference between a normal heart and a fetal heart is two. There are two main structural difference in a normal heart and a fetal heart. One is there is a shunting of blood from the right atrium into the left atrium through a foramen known as foramen ovale. And there is shunting of blood from the pulmonary trunk into the aorta through a foramen known as ductus arteriosus. So this foramen ovale and the ductus arteriosus, through which the blood shunt from the right atrium into the left atrium and the pulmonary trunk and the aorta, are the two main structural differences between a fetal heart and a normal heart. And the characteristic feature of a fetus is that its lungs is not functional. So the fetus get its oxygenated blood from the placenta. From the placenta through one umbilical vein, the fetus gets its oxygenated blood, and the umbilical vein goes into the liver. Over liver, it fuses with the left branch of the portal vein, and the left branch of the portal vein shunts through something known as the ductus venosus into the inferior venae cava. So the oxygenated blood from the mother through placenta reaches the fetus liver through umbilical vein, and in the liver the umbilical vein fuses with the left branch of the portal vein, and it shunts into the inferior venae cava through ductus venosus. From the inferior venae cava it reaches the right atrium, and most of the blood shunts through the foramen ovale into the left atrium, and some of the blood which reaches the right ventricle goes into the pulmonary trunk, where again it reaches the aorta through ductus arteriosus, and it gets supplied in the whole body. This ductus venosus, ductus arteriosus, foramen ovale, umbilical arteries and umbilical vein are only found in the fetus. When the fetus is born, the ductus venosus changes into ligamentum venosum. Ductus arteriosus changes into the ligamentum arteriosum, and the foramen ovale changes into fossa ovalis. Umbilical arteries changes into median umbilical ligament, and umbilical vein changes into the ligamentum teres hepatis.